In this tutorial, we're going to practice selecting things. So open up your set template. You should have already created your text style from the exercise prior to this tutorial. So your text style should be Arial already. All right, so let's save it as selection tutorial. All right, we're going to create a bunch of circles. So let's do that. Let's create a circle, and it's going to be located at 75, 100, and it's going to have a radius of 20. And we're going to array that. We're going to use a polar array. And the center point is going to be 150 by 150. And it's going to have a total of 10 items. So let's change those to 10. And that is it. Let's zoom all. Z enter, A enter, so that we can see all of our items. And now, if you look at the array, any array makes all the items one thing, but since we're going to practice selecting individual items, we want these to be broken up. So we're going to use the explode command, which is right here, and just select the array, hit enter, and now they're individual circles, and we can select them. All right, so there's several kinds of ways you can select items depending on, which way you click your mouse, which direction you pull the window, and they're all very useful, but they need to be practiced so that you know that they exist. Let's start out with something easy like erase. So we're going to select the erase command up here, and we're going to say we want to erase all of the items. So ALL, all of them, enter, all of them are selected, and then you say wait, no, I don't want all of them. So how do I remove some of them? Well, easy. You just type the letter R for remove, enter, and then you select the ones that you want removed. So I want that one removed, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. There we go. All right, and then you say, oh, no, I want to add some back in. How do I do that? Well, easy. You type A, enter, for add, A for add, and I want to add that one and that one. There we go. So remember, R for remove, A for add. So this works for any command where you're selecting items. So if you want to remove something from the selection set, type remove. If you want to add something to the selection set, type A. All right, so let's select using a window. So again, let's use the erase command. And let's say I want to select these two. If I want to draw a window around them, I'm going to click my left button up and to the left of these two. Click, and I'm going to drag down and to the right. Now when I do that, this window has to cover all of the object. You see that? So if it doesn't cover all of the object is not selected. All right, so those are erased. All right, what if I do it the opposite way? So again, let's do erase, and how about if I come from the upper right instead of the upper left. So I'm going to click my left button, release, I'm going to drag, and notice the different color. If I came from the right, it was blue. If I came from the left, it's green. Now, all I have to do is touch. I don't have to enclose the object. So all I have to do is touch. It doesn't have to enclose. So that's the difference between coming from the upper left and the upper right. One has to enclose all the objects, the other one just has to touch. All right, all of our objects are done. They're gone. All right, we want them back because we want to do more selecting. So I'm going to do Control Z and get them all back. There we go. So Control Z works in AutoCAD just like it does in a lot of other applications. Control Z is undo. All right, now we're going to erase or select using a fence line. So we'll hit the erase command again, and we're going to type in F for fence line. And then I'm just going to click my left mouse button here, click it here, and you'll notice anywhere the fence line touches, it selects. I hit enter to get out of the fence line, and then I can hit enter to erase those objects. Now we're going to select using a polygon window. So erase WP window polygon. So let's click left, and basically you're drawing a window. And you hit enter when you're done. So that allows you to draw kind of like a non-square, non-rectangle window. So a polygon window can be useful in some situations. Next, we are going to lasso. So if you click, so all of those things, what I did was click and release my left mouse button. This time I'm going to click and hold my left mouse button. So I'm going to click and hold my left mouse button, and you can see the difference. This is a lasso. All right. So those are the different ways that you can select an object, and hopefully those were useful.